Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming basics, but you don't linger. Start calibration now. You power all units, install any firmware updates, and position trackers at recommended heights and angles so signals aren't blocked. Once done, you run an initial auto-calibration routine to capture baseline sensor offsets. Make sure to disable wireless devices or reflective objects that cause multipath errors, because those create jitter. By the end of this step, you'll have a clean environment and a baseline calibration that reveals where tracking errors originate. You now focus on the complex middlework, refining parameters. Start by running a full-motion calibration. Sweep yaw, pitch, and roll slowly, then with brisk motions to expose latency and clipping. Next, change sampling rate and filter strength one at a time. Lower latency needs higher sampling, while noisy environments need stronger filtering. Once adjusted, introduce fiducial markers or a known reference to quantify positional drift over time. If you document each change, you can compare outcomes and isolate which parameter reduces the specific error you saw earlier. You finish by validating and locking down the fix. Run a validation sequence with scripted motions and real tasks for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm consistency. Watch for drift, jitter, or dropped frames. Once satisfied, save and lock the working profile and export logs so you can reproduce settings later. If tracking still fails, systematically troubleshoot. Examine USB or network bandwidth, swap suspect sensors, and retest under controlled lighting. A single key tip: if intermittent jitter appears, check for RF or reflective interference first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.